So today's topic is how to stack columns and how to get the select system to understand what you're doing. And so there's a lot of columns already in the system's database, but if you're going to stack columns, you need to let the system know now that you're dealing with a column that's new to the system, and you have to account for the larger column volume. And so you do that by going to Menu and then Data Administration, log in, and then go to Column Administration, and now we can select New. So we can say, you give it a name, whatever you want, and we'll say Sfär, say 2x 10 gram. All right. Column volume, we know the Sfär Silica HC and the standard 60 micron both have got a column volume of 15 milliliters. I'm going to stack two of those in series. Total column volume is going to be 30 milliliters. All right, you can see walks through everything here. Equilibration length, we want to go 2 column volumes, although you can set that to whatever you want. Leave the maximum, actually set the pressure at 245 psi. Air flush length, let's go to 3 column volumes. Don't worry about the loading capacities, whether it's normal phase or reversed phase. Default flow rate, set at 100 milliliters per minute. Equilibration pressure, set that at 245 as well. And then equilibration flow rate, 100 milliliters per minute. So default flow rate, 40. And at this point in time, we can just press save. So now that 2 by 10 gram column arrangement is in the system, we'll close that. So we're not going to be able to scan that column here because it's not going to recognize the 2 by 10 grams. However, we can go to, under type, we can then find that configuration, and that'll typically be at the bottom of the list, 2 by 10 gram. That's now entered, and at this point in time, we can put those columns on the system. And I'm just going to step in front here and do that. So if you're going to run 2 columns in series, you'll want to likely run that on the side of the system. So of course, remove the column fittings, and then you can attach the columns to each other through the lower lock connections. Attach the outlet of the tandem to the outlet tubing. Put the columns in the holder and attach the inlet fitting. And now at this point in time, you're ready to go ahead and start your gradient.